Subscribe and press the bell icon to enjoy more exciting and enlightening videos from here. Hello and welcome to yet another riveting episode of Hey Masterpieces. Today we are going to have a conversation with our career mentor, Mr. Sumit Gupta. Hello sir, how are you doing today?
I'm good. How are you, Sher? Nice to have you here.
Yeah. Likewise, sir. I'm also good. Nice to have you here. So let's commence today's episode by knowing more about your career path and journey. So can you please walk us through that?
Sure. Regarding my career, so it's basically, I started my career back in Mumbai, and it's been almost 24 years. And I kind of, entered the IT industry back in 1996, and I started my career from just like any IT graduate. So if are you asking about my journey, I basically worked with the one of the startup company, product making company in IT in Mumbai. They used to have a banking sector software products, and I started with them and then moved to Origin. Origin was a part of the Philips Group IT company. Worked there till 2000, and then kind of went out of the country in UK. Worked there in a couple of years, and then kind of moved to US for 12 years and worked into different organization as well as some of the federal government, US federal government agencies in a different role and moved towards more IT project management in year 2007, 2008. And then kind of got opportunity to, work on some of the really big project, managing some $10 million projects in IT sector, having various span of impacting number of customers, consumers. And later I joined United Health Group, that's called it a UHG, in 2012, and then took the transfer from the UHG to come back to the India in the same company. It's a healthcare insurance company. So that's what been my journey so far.
Okay. That's really great to know. Now I want to ask you, sir, what exactly inspired you to become a career mentor and join here?
So definitely, as we all get busy into our normal corporate life, sort of feeling comes there, okay, what we can give back to the society, as well as, we see that, education is one of the most important piece in our life. And definitely having a 24 years of experience working in different countries and my own kids growing up, what I can kind of give back as well as learn from where the career streams going on, what today's young people are looking for, what I can contribute there. Mentor is not only just a one way street, it's a two-way street. So you work with the young people or other people, not even always young, maybe with your peer group, sometimes even your seniors. It provides you the ability to that experience. I do some kind of mentoring in my official role, but I want to expand that more.
Okay. Okay, sir. Now I want to ask you, how do you think is Theya changing the overall perspective about career and career mentoring?
Right. So here, I kind of joined after going through some, discussion and also some courses. Believe in just this April or May around. And what I see is they has a right platform. They have done a real great work in terms of guiding our younger minds as well as even the existing people from the corporate. What are the different streams are there? How to achieve their dream? What can be done? And I think they are really having a very good platform what they are working on, and I see they have a real big potential to kind of reach out to every household in India to kind of inspire a lot of many young kids to become what they really believe into rather than some of the society's norm which in our days used to be just doctor engineers. It definitely have a potential to find the right talent and then groom that talent, and above and all it is helping the nation. And that's where I got inspiration, right? How I can be a part of that process where they has already started, where I can become the part of that team and how I can contribute.
Okay. So, lastly, now I want to, sir, ask you, what advice or suggestion would you like to give to today's parents and students about how to choose a career?
Very important topic, and with all humbleness I will say that I am not expert in there, but it is a journey. We all grew up with a certain dynamics within our society. We have some peer pressure, we have our parent pressure to do
Right.
this, to do that, 25, 30 years back. I think that probably what we can do best is how we can not force our views to them. And it's
Correct.
easier said than done. It's not easy. All of us get caught up at times with the, what is the society pressure or what we think about over the kids. I think the trick is to learn that, okay, be a mentor, guide them, but at the end, look at from their perspective, what they are looking for, what is the confidence they have in whatever chosen field they want to grow. Our job is to support them, our job is to nurture them, in a very balanced way, not forcing some of the things which we may not be able to achieve, and we want to try to achieve them or kind of try to live our dreams through them. That's all not something which be a right thing, not going to make a right impact. So it's an evaluation. It's every day you have to kind of look at from that prism that at the end, my role or as a parent, as a teacher, or as a senior citizens, how we can shape up that talent, not to
Right.
enforce anything. That's would be my advice.
Okay. That's really great to know. That's it, sir. I sincerely thank you for taking out time for us and sharing your experience and insights today. And I thank you all for watching this episode today. I'm sure you must have found it inspirational, insightful, and enlightening. Stay tuned and stay safe. Until next time.
Thank you, Shears. Thanks for having me. Bye.